I have a John Deere X570. I'm going to replace the drive belt. Now what I'm going to do with this deck first, before I pull it out, I'm going to take these and I'm going to turn them to where I can just roll the deck out. Just like that. Now I'll go ahead and lower the deck to the ground, like so. Now I'm going to remove the deck belt from the drive pulley, which is right here. I'll just kind of push it down, slip it off. Now I'm going to pull this out on both sides and drop the deck from there. As you can see right there, it came out. It's a little tight. Now I'll do the other side. Now come up front and take these pins right here out. And that should drop this side. Now I'll go to the other side. Do the same thing over here. Just comes right out like so. A little tight. Push that out. Now we'll take it off of there. And I'll roll the deck out. Okay, we're underneath of it, and this is the back of the tractor. As you can see, the belt is off of the pulley in the back. Okay, and if we come on forward here, we can see that right there, the belt is really chewed up pretty good. And going up through here, and the belt seems to be off of the front pulley as well. So I'm going to start taking this stuff apart, starting with those two bolts right here, and take these arms off. But I'm going to take them off from up here on the front right there. Okay, now I'm going to take this nut off on both sides. It's a 17 millimeter, and get rid of this steering arm. You're going to have to take and put a 15 millimeter up here. And you can use an impact, but I got the socket and ratchet. I can't get an impact in there because of this right here. Once you get it broke loose, you can actually use an electric or air ratchet. Put it on there and just take it all the way off. Now that I've removed the steering arms, I'll go underneath. Right now I'm going to go ahead and take this big bolt right here off and drop this whole pulley mechanism. This is a 24 millimeter nut. Now I'll just move this and get it out of the way. There's a spring right here. So I'll just unhook the spring and I'll leave it there. So let me get my hand down here first. I got this bolt right here. There it is. There's the bolt, just leave it in there. Here's the spring right here. I'll take it off and I'll leave it right there. Remember where it goes. And it hooks up in the back. Take it all the way out. I know where it goes. Get this out of here. Get the belt out of it. I'm going to check these pulleys and make sure these pulleys are all good. To get the drive belt from around the rear pulley, just come back here and you can see the cooling fan right there on top. Just take the belt and slip it right over top of the cooling fan. This is actually doable because right there's the belt. Now I'll go ahead and take it on up through the front. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to grab this belt. I'm going to pull it forward. I'm going to take it down underneath both of these right here and put them underneath of it. Drop it down. Now let's go back underneath. Okay, now that we're back under here, here's the belt. Our belt should come right out now. We take it right through here. I want to take it up and over. And right up here, little lip. And then right here, you take it over top of the back of that spring, and our belt is out. Don't have to take nothing else off. Let me show you that again. Okay, right here's our belt. It's just hanging here. There's that spring. Now if you just take your belt and bring it past this bolt right here, just keep pulling it. Okay, then it's going to latch on to the back of this bar right here. Just hook it up, put it over top of it, and then right here you have a spring. Just put it over the spring like so, and it falls right out. We'll put it back in the same way. Here's my tensioner pulleys. So this one here sounds pretty good. This one here needs replaced, I'll go ahead and change that one out and pick up a new belt. Here's the pulley, there's the number, and here's the drive belt. Okay, as you can see, the new one is just like the old one. It's got that spacer in the back of it. Just go ahead and put it on the bolt. Now go ahead and put the 13mm nut back on the bolt. Once you get it tightened down, you're ready to go. Okay. That's what it sounds like now. Now I'm going to go ahead and feed the belt through right here. I'm going to take it right on back through there and bring it down and put it right there under the bolt. It'll sit right there. Now I'll go ahead and go up front and I'll bring the belt up this way, up through the front here. I'm going to go ahead and put these arms right back through the belt, like so. And then that's taken care of. I can go ahead and hook these back up now and put them where I need them. Now I'll head back to the back. I'm going to go ahead and take my belt and feed it back to the back here, put it around the fan, and then drop it down onto the pulley. Now you can come to the back here and put your belt on the back pulley. I'm going to go ahead and bolt this back up. This actually goes up in here like this. So just go ahead and put it on the back of your frame here, work here. It's holding the pulleys, and it will go on there like this. So just put it up on there. Don't worry about your belts. We'll get to those later. Pull it on through. Now go ahead and put the nut on it. There we go. Everything looks like it's pretty good. I'm going to tighten that down because it will get tight. Now that it's tightened down, make sure it moves. Now what you want to do is go ahead and feed your belt onto the pulleys. Some people might think it's easier to do this with the pulley off of the tractor. Okay, the belt goes on this pulley pretty easily. Go ahead and take a 13mm or a 1/2 inch socket. Break this one here loose. Now that it's loose, I should be able to get the belt right on there. There it is. Now I'll go ahead and tighten this back up. Yep. Takes care of that. Now you don't have to take this whole mechanism out to change these pulleys. You can leave everything on and just change the pulleys from right where they're at. I just took it off because I needed to change the belt out. What I'm going to try, I'm going to take the belt off of the back pulley. I'm going to drop it down below the pulley to give me some slack. I'm going to take this pulley, I'm going to feed it up through to the upper pulley. That way I don't have to take this off. This should give me some slack. Okay. Now I got the top pulley hooked up. Now I'm going to try and put the back pulley back on. And it went right on. Last thing I got to do here, to finish this drive belt is install this spring. I'm going to put it on the front, which is right here. Don't know if you can see that, but I'm going to put it on this right here, and I'm going to pull it from the back. Okay, now as you can see, I got the spring. It's hooked up on the front of this tensioner. So now I'm going to take these right here. They're for drum brakes. Alright, it's on there. Tool worked pretty good. And if you look right there, you can see where the spring has its own dedicated spot. Now I'm going to check everything, make sure everything is okay. All the belts are on. I just want to show you what I put the spring on with. It was this tool right here. It's a drum brake spring tool. And what helped me was this right here, because it had a hook on it. But if you got any kind of tool that's got a hook on it like this, that's pretty stout, and you can get some length on it, it's really easy to put that spring on with it. Just like I did. Okay, I'm going to throw the deck back on there in the opposite way that it came off. I hope this helps. Like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends. Thanks for watching.